Hello friends, I'm sure all of us have a small container of baking soda in our kitchen. But did you know this simple ingredient can become the most powerful 100% organic pesticide and fungicide for your garden? In today's short episode, I'll show you an easy formula, using baking soda and a few natural ingredients to treat almost every pest and fungus in your garden. So stop using harsh chemical sprays and fertilizers. Let's go 100% organic. Ingredients: 1 liter water, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon neem oil, or vegetable oil if neem oil is not available, 10 drops mild liquid soap to help mix oil and water. Preparation. Step 1. Pour 1 liter of water into a spray bottle. Step 2. Add baking soda and neem oil. Step 3. Add 10 drops of eco-friendly liquid soap. Step 4. Shake well until fully mixed. How to use: use early morning or evening, never in strong sunlight. Apply once every 7 to 10 days for best results.